Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Wednesday, Wish Wednesday. It's a happy, great day, and that means you have your song out there on Growing Guitar. Now, let's focus on this Voila Figure You Out song, okay? It's you, Shafter, or something. You wished for this song, and yeah, here we are. So, voila, this is for you. Before we move on with this tutorial, I want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel where you're gonna learn a full song from A to Z. It's a full playthrough with chords shown. It's called Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Go and check out that channel. Help me out there. I need your help, guys. Now, let's focus on Figure You Out. I have a capo on the 2nd fret. Yes, I'm aware. In the original song, they don't use capo. I don't believe that. But this is to make it as easy as possible. When you consider the melody and the chords, the grips, so have everything at the same place as much as you can. Capo on 2nd will be the best. All right, so that's the reason for it. Now let's go through the chords needed. We have A minor first. Okay, so that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the G, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. We have D minor as well. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then we have the C. That will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And really, this is what we need for just chords and strumming, but you have an option to use a full chord where you pretty much don't have to. So I'm gonna show you the F as well, played in the pre-chorus. It's a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the 1st fret. You're gonna push down all strings, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. There we have all the chord, guys. Now let's go into the first part, that is the verse. So we have that melody, it's played like this. That's one round based upon A minor, G, D minor, and C. So A minor part goes open A, 2nd G, 1st B, and back to 2nd G. The G part goes 3rd E in the bass, open G, open B, and back to open G. D minor goes open D, 3rd B, 1st high E, and back to 3rd B. And finally C goes 3rd A, 1st B, open high E, and back to 1st B. And that's one round. So slowly. That is the verse play. So if you speed up, and so on. You're gonna play 4 rounds of this in the first verse. Okay, so that takes us to the pre-chorus, and that starts about 30 seconds in. Now this is based upon F and G, and the F part is to play like this, and then G. That's it for the pre-chorus. So the F goes 1st fret E string in the bass, then 3rd fret D string, 2nd fret G, and back to 3rd D. You're gonna play that part for 2 times, so. And then the G part goes like that. So it's really 1 round in the same way as you play the verse play. And then you're gonna play 1 extra down on the 3rd fret E string. All right, that follows up with a pause, and that is the pre-chorus. Why do we have F in this pre-chorus with the full chord? That is because if you want to play both the verse and the pre-chorus, instead of playing with notes, the melody, you can play just downs instead with full chords. And then you're gonna use 4 downs per chord. So that means for the verse play, you're gonna play for A minor, then G, D minor, and C. So and the same goes then with the pre-chorus we just learned. You're gonna play F. Now you're gonna play 8 downs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and G. 5 downs with a pause. So that is the reason for us having the F. But if you look into the song, it's not played with the downs like this. It's played with the melody. Okay, so this is 2 options to go for. You can use either melody or the strumming. Now into the chords, we're gonna use a strumming pattern, but they're completely different now. It starts about 35 seconds in. The chords are the same, the order as the verse play. So it's the A minor, the G, the D minor, and the C. Now we have a 2-part strumming. So we're gonna look into the first 2 chords, A minor to G. Together they make up for 1 full string around. So part 1, A minor, goes like this. So it's down, 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 up. 3 downs and then down, up. I like the first 2 downs to be played on the bass strings. And then the down, down, up on the higher mid area. Okay, so that is the A minor, and then you shift to G and play up, down, 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 up. So up, down, 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 up. And if you compare or mix them together, it will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then you follow the same principle for the next 2 chords. D minor played in the same way as A minor, part 1, and C in the same way as G, part 2. So D minor to C. Sorry. That's the correct chord. So A minor, G, D minor, C with this strumming pattern goes like this. You're gonna play this for 6 rounds. 6 rounds of that chord progression. And that takes us back into the second round of everything now. And the second verse, the second pre-chorus, it's played in the same way as the first round pretty much. So no changes there. Then comes the second chorus and even the third chorus. They're played right after each other. So that will be a total of 12 rounds. A minor, G, D minor, C with that strumming pattern we just learned. 12 rounds of that, okay? And then you're going to go into the final part of the song. That's the outro. You're going to play the verse play 4 rounds. And then you're going to go into the pre-chorus and play that in the same way as we just learned all the previous pre-choruses. And once you play that, you finish this song, guys. It's called Figuring Out by VOILA. And thank you, Shafter something. You wished for this one. A great song, actually. Never heard it before. Love the sound, and yeah, it's just a good song. So thank you for being here. And if you want to show me some appreciation, the best way to do that is to, again, to go and check out my new YouTube channel, Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago, and subscribe there. And follow me out and build up that family as well. So thank you for your support, guys. Till next time, play tuned.